On today's first look, we have a 1969 Mercury Cougar. This is equipped with the R-Code 428 Super Cobra Jet, big block engine backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. It has the V-Code option. It has the 391 gear ratio Traction-Lok. It is presented in medium emerald metallic paint, complemented by the factory code 8A interior. This comfort weave bucket seats. It is complemented by the AM 8-track hideaway headlights. These were quite stylish back in their days. Has the period correct Firestone Wide-Ovals on it, front wheel disc brakes, Super Cobra Jet side moldings on it. Very well optioned car. Only 53 Super Cobra Jets were produced in 1969. Now, finished in this beautiful emerald metallic paint with the 4-speed in the interior makes it one of one. It is documented with the original sales contract, invoice, owner's manual, warranties. It has 2 Marti Reports, selling at no reserve at our Houston auction the 16th through the 18th.